I want to show you the day the sky exploded over Siberia. No footage, no crater, just trees, flattened for miles. It's called the Tunguska event. It happened on the morning of 30th June 1908. Imagine standing near the Podkamennaya Tunguska River. A fireball tears across the sky. Evenki herders, Russian settlers, a blinding blue-white streak. A heat wave that felt like opening a furnace, a shock wave that knocked people off their feet. Windows shattered hundreds of kilometers away. Seismographs shook across Eurasia. Here's what we think happened. A space rock, probably a stony asteroid about 50 to 80 meters wide. It entered the atmosphere at over 40,000 miles per hour. It never hit the ground, about 5 to 10 kilometers up. The pressure ripped it apart in a massive airburst. The energy, between 3 and 15 megatons of TNT, up to 1,000 times Hiroshima. A 2,000 square kilometer swath of taiga was leveled. Roughly 80 million trees fell in a butterfly pattern pointing away from the blast. There's no impact crater because there was no intact impact. For years, it was a mystery. The first proper expedition reached the site in 1927, led by Leonid Kulik. He expected a crater. Metal fragments, something. Instead, scorched tree trunks stood upright at ground zero. Branches blasted off. The blast sent pressure waves around the planet. Barometers picked them up as they circled the globe. Nights glowed across Europe for days. People read newspapers at midnight in London without a lamp. Modern modeling points to a stony asteroid as the best fit. Chelyabinsk 2013, a good comparison. 20 meters across, an airburst, broken glass injured thousands. Scale that up a few times, move it over wilderness, and you get Tunguska. So, how worried should we be? Events this size are rare, perhaps once every few centuries. Today, sky surveys track near-Earth objects. New telescopes will find more. The lesson: the biggest bangs don't always leave craters, but they do leave clues, if you know where to look.